Hey guys, it's Areesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually making two cakes, but you guys will see the first one in this video, and that's going to be a baby shower cake for a baby boy, and we're going to put some little baby fondant sneakers on top, so it's going to be adorable. And then you can stay tuned for next week where we're doing a baby girl's first birthday cake. But anyways, before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at Desserts by Areesa. Let's get right into this baby shower cake.
So I'm starting off by leveling some vanilla cake and slicing it in half. And then I'm going to fill it with a mango Italian meringue buttercream. I will leave my Italian meringue buttercream tutorial on the screen here and in the description below. And then I'm adding a crumb coat with some vanilla Italian meringue buttercream in a nice baby blue color. And I'm going to be creating a ruffle effect on the cake. So I'm going to start by making some guidelines about an inch apart and then taking a number 104 petal tip and just piping back and forth in between those guidelines. You want to keep the tip perpendicular to the cake board and the thickest side closest to the cake, and that'll give you this really nice effect. Then I'm just smoothing a little extra buttercream on top and giving it a nice little design with my offset spatula. And I'm also going to pipe a border on top with that same piping tip. So that's pretty much it for the cake itself. Now it's time for decorations, and I made these a couple of days in advance as usual, just to give them time to dry out a little bit. So I'm starting by making some little baby fondant sneakers, and I've got fondant mixed with Tylose powder for that. And I found a template online for the little pieces. You can just Google baby fondant sneaker template and you'll find a few options, but they're all pretty similar. And then I just used some water mixed with gum paste as glue to hold the pieces together. And then I also made a little banner out of fondant to go on top as well.
The little booties are so cute. I guess they're sneakers technically, but either way, they're so cute. Look at the little sneakers.
And now it's just time to put it all together, and I also added some little round sprinkles on top as a little finishing touch.
Okay guys, here is the finished cake. The ruffle effect looks really cute. I really like it. And of course, I love the little baby sneakers on top. So I hope you guys liked it as well. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you want to see next. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!